Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be turning my younger brother into a sea monster. We've been stuck inside because of the quarantine and we've been getting a little crazy and it's been pretty boring, so we decided to do something fun for a change. The first thing that we're going to do is melt the polymorph plastic because we're going to be using that to make the teeth. It's pretty much, they're just these little plastic pellets, and then if you boil water and put that in a dish and put the pellets in there, they turn clear and you're able to mold them. And you can just order this online. I got mine from eBay and it was only like I think $10, but super fun to play with. So I went ahead and put my polymorph plastic into the cup. That way I would have it ready whenever the water was finished boiling and I could just go ahead like that and pour it in there. And you'll see it's going to turn clear. And as soon as it gets clear enough, then you can take it out and start molding it. You do have about a 10 to 15 second working time before it starts to harden, so just be mindful of that. But if it does harden a little bit too quickly, then you can dip it back into the hot water so you can finish molding. We used 3 different paints to come up with this blue color from Tag Body Art, Paradise Paints, and Snazaroo. Originally he was supposed to be Sully from Monsters Inc., but somewhere in the process he ended up looking like a creature from the deep, so that's what we went with. For the mouth area, we just used cotton and liquid latex. I didn't think about it at the time, but a good idea would have been to make a latex paste. That way it would have gone on probably a lot smoother and looked a lot better. But you live and you learn, so next time I'll definitely do that.
Can you see them? It's on now.
We did take a small break before this because I needed to blow dry his face. The liquid latex and the cotton were like really thickly laid on there, so we would have probably been there for another like 30 minutes to an hour just waiting for that to dry. This is where he started to look like a sea creature instead of Sully from Monsters Inc. I thought it would be cool if we had some fur that I could like glue on his face, and we would put like some purple spots, but I didn't have fur. I did have moss lying around, and I was like, let's use that and paint it blue and see how that looks. It did not work at all, but it did end up working out for the sea creature look we decided to go for once we realized he didn't look like Sully. So this is the end result. We both had a really fun time coming up with ideas as we went along. Don't get me wrong, we did yell at each other the entire time. We are your typical brother and sister, even though you don't really see that in the video, but we did have a really fun time doing this as well. I hope everyone stays safe, happy, and healthy during this coronavirus pandemic, and try not to go too crazy. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!